Hi all. Hi everyone, hi. How are you doing? Yes, Fourth Sudoku, I will continue in a second. And this fourth Sudoku will be a number 1, 2, 7, 0. In this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 1st, 2020, the fourth Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, and I hope I will manage to solve this within 30 minutes. Otherwise, it's definitely a 4-star Sudoku. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Previous one has 25, so I think this one has 24. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, plus 4, 7, plus 2 is 9. 10, 13, 16, 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 2 is 24 as expected. So let's get started. Well. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Yes. In this row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 1. We have a 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The other 2 boxes left in this row are reserved for the numbers 6 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 3, 6 and 3. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this first row for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. These 2 boxes are left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. I mark them. Those are this is a pair. Alright, so the other 3 numbers should be the 3, the 2, and the 6. We see here 6, here also a 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Alright, let's continue. So the other 2 boxes are the 3 and the 2. 2 and a 3. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column, the only three places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. First digit completed. Alright, then. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. And now I have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 3. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only three places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright, digit number 3. And then. Let me see. How about the number 5 in this big square? 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. Alright. How about the number? Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. No, 2 we have 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. Then yeah. 2, 7. We have a 7 here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here already a 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Then 3, 7, 9. Yes, one of the missing number in this big square with 3 missing boxes, 3 empty boxes. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 3 and the 7 are missing in this big square. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and 1. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 2? We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now I have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 9. Now I have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 1. The 1 and the 3 are missing now in this big square, the final numbers. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. All right. The fastest Sudoku I have solved in the additional of today. So with 4 stars, is it really a 4 star? That is the question. But I have solved this and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th puzzle, a binary puzzle. So see you later, and bye bye for now.